Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming tools and safety. Cutters, flathead, replacement RJ45, and protection. You mark about 1/2 from the plug and hold the cable steady. This removes the crimped sleeve cleanly. Use the cutters to snip the plug off with a single controlled motion. Once done, strip roughly 1 inch of the outer jacket back to expose twisted pairs, being careful not to nick wires. You want intact conductors for the next steps. Now you focus on the wires themselves. Strip about 1 inch of outer jacket and keep twists near the ends to preserve signal integrity. You untwist each pair only as far as needed and flatten them between thumb and finger, aligning to your chosen standard, say T568B, so pins match. Make sure the conductors sit straight and in order, then trim them square to about 0.5 inch so they insert fully into the RJ45 head. This ensures solid contact and reliable connection. You slide the straightened conductors into the RJ45 plug until the jacket seats under the clamp. This keeps strain relief in place. Once correctly positioned, place the plug in the crimper and apply firm, even pressure so the metal contacts penetrate each conductor. Do it once, not in multiple squeezes. After crimping, use a cable tester to confirm all 8 pins pass continuity. If a pin fails, recheck order and length, and recrimp or replace the plug.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.